Hi everyone, let me show you how to turn a photo into an SVG. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Pick SVG and I'm going to upload a picture. And to upload a picture, I'm going to go into Photos and pick my lovely Ellie, my second granddaughter. You'll see her right here. These are all her freckles. And to make this into an SVG, you have options here. Invert 3, Ready 1, Ready 2, Ready 3. So I think what I'm going to do is to go to Ready 1 and download that SVG. And you'll see right up here in this little blue on my MacBook Pro that it's downloading. So that's 8RN and it's completed. So I'm going to go into Cricut and start a new project and upload. You can see I've already done this a couple of times. Go into my browser. What did I say? 8RN? Upload that. I'm in Cricut. So we're going to save that. Here's the newest one. And we're going to insert that. All right. And I'm going to make her a different color just so you can see what I'm doing here. If we tried to make it now, you'd see that it would come through in many, many pieces. We don't want that. We're going to cancel that. So we're going to go back to Ellie and we're going to attach everything. Sorry for the interruption, but if you like what you're watching, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. So now if we go into Make It, you can see that it's all one piece. Now, I'm making this with adhesive onto a ceramic coffee cup, so I don't have to mirror it. Okay. So here's her picture, and I have to decide what I'm going to eliminate. So I'm going to eliminate everything that's white. I'm going to weed that part out. Well, that was easy. Beautiful. And if we wanted to, we could put the negative on the other side. Okay, with the coffee cup, if they're right-handed, you want to make sure that you put the image on the correct side. So I'm just going to clean this off with some Awesome. Get rid of any fingerprints or grime. And let that dry completely. Then, because this is adhesive vinyl, we need some transfer tape.
This is the new transfer tape we're carrying, and it's wonderful. You want to make sure this transfer tape is really clean. I like having a white background because it lets me see through to it. And then just carefully put it over your image and pressing from the middle out. I'm just lightly burnishing this, very lightly. Very nice. This is her coffee cup. It's on the right-hand side. Now I'm going to trim this. Close to the edge. Doesn't have to be totally precise, but it's good to get as close as you can. Sometimes I leave a little bit of a margin. Be careful when you're handling it. And you want to leave some that you'll be able to pull up. It's just, you don't have to cut that much off. Okay, let's get this on straight. Again, I'm going to do it from the inside out. Burnish it down. Then we're going to carefully remove the transfer tape. And then I will tell Ellie to always hand wash it. There you go. Thanks, guys.
For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.